Hello everyone. In this video I just want to show you how to make home automation using Android application. In this video I have designed a simple sketch for this home automation. In front of you, this is the home automation using Android application. I have mobile phone here. This is mobile phone. This mobile phone has already been installed with the home automation application, the Android application which I designed. This communicates directly to the Wi-Fi network, and this Wi-Fi network sends signal to this Arduino Wi-Fi module, and this communicates directly to relay modules. These relay modules, when it receives the signal, it triggers. If it is 1, then the light will be on, and if the signal is 0, then the light will be off. So here I have 6 appliances. I have light 1, I have the fan, refrigerator, microwave, TV, and AC. Right now, let me send you direct to the Android application design layout. Here this is my Android application design layout. I have a login form, login page. I have also this sign up page. I have also my main dashboard here. So first of all, you have to sign up and then log in to the system. Upon login, this main dashboard will be open, and you can control your home appliance wherever you are. Right now, let me send you direct to the system to see how it works. So in front of you, this is the system. Here is the Wi-Fi module, Arduino Wi-Fi module, and also I have that relay module having 2 ways. Since it is a demo, then I have tried to use only 2 lights, but if you want to connect more appliances, then you have to change this and use 8 ways relay module. Right now, let me take my phone. Here, this is my phone. Let me enter the password and open. So this is my phone. I have Android application. Here, this is my Android application I have designed. Let me click here. Upon clicking, it will open like that. That is the login page. Since I want to start as a new user, then I have to sign up. Let me click sign up here, and I have to put the username and the password. So assume the user is Goh, and the password here is 1, 2, 3. Confirm. Again, 1, 2, 3. No. Confirm. Then you have to click here sign up. Upon clicking sign up, it says sign up successful. Now log in. So I have to put the username OH, then password. The password 1, 2, 3. Then I have to click login. Upon clicking login here, the page will open. Login successful. So this is my main dashboard. As you can see how it looks like. So right now I want to switch on light 1 by clicking the light on button here, on, off. Then let me click on to see how it works. Upon clicking here, light 1 will be on, and light 2 also it will be on. So right now I want to switch off light 2. Click here, it goes off. Light 1, click here, it goes off. Then again, light 1 on, be on there. Light 2 also will be on. Then I want to put off light 2, then light 1 goes off. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a wonderful time. Bye bye.